हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम हनी ठक्कर। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे करियर ऑप्शंस आफ्टर बीकॉम। कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड के ऐसे काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो 12th के बाद बीकॉम को परस्यू करते हैं। सो फॉर देम आई हैड मेड दिस वीडियो। इन द लास्ट वीडियो वी हैव सीन दैट व्हाट टू डू आफ्टर 12th कॉमर्स। ओके, सो अगर आपने उस वीडियो को नहीं देखा है देन यू कैन गो इन डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड वॉच इट। I had mentioned link in my description. Okay. Now इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे what to do after BCom. Okay. BCom के बाद करने के लिए काफ़ी सारे कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं, लेकिन अकॉर्डिंग टू मी दिस 7 आर बेस्टेस्ट कोर्स दैट यू कैन डू. Okay. In this video I'll be provide you information about each and every course and degree. Then we will also talk about employment opportunity, duration of the course, and yes, very most important thing, approximate salary after the completion of course. Okay, so now let's begin. The first one is MCom, which stands for Master of Commerce. Basically, Master of Commerce is 2 years postgraduate program that allows you to build your career in corporate and business sector. क्योंकि एमकॉम के जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं वो मोर और लेस बिजनेस रिलेटेड है, सच एज अकाउंटिंग, बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, ई कॉमर्स, कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन एट्सेट्रा. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी एडमिशन डिटेल. काफ़ी सारी कॉलेजेस अवेलेबल है जो एमकॉम की डिग्री को प्रोवाइड करती हैं, सो यू कैन गो विद दैट ऑल्सो, or else there is a distance education is also available, because nowadays there are so many colleges are there which provide distance education under IGNOU. Okay, and some of the colleges and universities are also there which have their own entrance exam, so the students first of all have to clear it for getting admission. Okay, now let's see employment opportunity. See, after being an MCom you can be assistant manager, junior accountant, relationship manager etc. एंड अगर कोई स्टूडेंट ऐसा है जो टीचिंग की लाइन में ज्वाइन होना चाहता हो या तो लेक्चरर बनना चाहता हो, देन दे कैन गिव नेट एग्जामिनेशन आफ्टर एमकॉम. नेट इज स्टैंड्स फॉर नेशनल एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट. I'll upload separate video related to this so that you can have a better idea. Okay, and also student can go for research by doing PhD. Okay, and the expected salary for the MCom applicant is 15,000 to 20,000 per month in starting scenario. Okay, now next is MBA or Master of Business Administration, which is a 2-year postgraduate course that is widely preferred in India and abroad also. See, after doing an MBA, which type of skills student can pursue? So MBA develop management and business skills in students and also prepare them for corporate world. Okay, अगर कोई स्टूडेंट ऐसा है जो MBA करना चाहता हो तो उसको सबसे पहले एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम देनी पड़ती है, एंड द एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम्स आर डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज़. ओके, like IIM only prefer the students which have clear CAT examination. Okay, and other than that there is a MAT, CMAT, SNAP, NMAT etc. You can give any entrance exam as per your choice of university. Okay, now one more thing is that student can be an MBA in the field in which they are very much interested, क्योंकि MBA में काफ़ी सारी फील्ड अवेलेबल है सच एज फाइनेंस, HR, मार्केटिंग, IT etc. and also student can get a job as per their field. Okay, like they can be operation manager, marketing manager if they have done MBA in marketing, then business development executive, project manager, marketing executive etc. And yes, salary for the same is 5 lakh to 7 lakh per annum, which is totally depend upon your skill. Okay, next one is CA, which stands for chartered accountant. Chartered accountant is considered to be a very famous and valuable course in commerce field. Okay, and also it is said to be a toughest course compared to all other courses. Okay, See, there is a one body called ICA, which stands for the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, which conduct this CA exam and also provide certificate to the students. This examination conducted by 3 level: foundation, inter and final. Duration for the same has been mentioned in PPT. But yes, if you are doing CA after the completion of BCom, then you can directly go with inter. फाउंडेशन करने की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है अगर आप बीकॉम के बाद सीए को परस्यू करते हो तो. ओके, सो ड्यूरेशन अब हो गया 4 years का. सो आफ्टर बीकॉम यू कैन बी सीए विद इन 4 years. And yes, after the completion of this course you can be financial accountant, management accountant, chartered accountant, then auditor, management consultant, tax consultant, etc. And salary for CA is 6 lakh to 10 lakh per annum. Okay. Now next one is CS. CA stands for company secretary. This course is totally related to company law. So अगर कोई स्टूडेंट ऐसा है जो थियोरी में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हो then they can go for it. This course has also very high value in this field. Okay. There is a one body called ICSI, which stands for the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, which provides certificate for this course to the students. Okay. And yes, the stages of course is also 3, same as CA: foundation program, executive program, professional program. But yes, if you are doing CS after the completion of BCom, then you can directly go with executive program. फाउंडेशन प्रोग्राम करने की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके, एंड द ड्यूरेशन फॉर द सेम इज़ 2.5 years. And yes, after being a CS, you can be assistant to the board of director, legal advisor, corporate policy maker, principal secretary, etc. And your expected salary would be 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs per annum. Okay. Next is CFA, which stands for Certified Financial Analyst. बेसिकली ये जो कोर्स है वो एक सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स है एंड इट विल डेवलप अ स्किल इन द फील्ड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट मैनेजमेंट फॉर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, एंड यस, इस कोर्स को ग्लोबली एक्सेप्ट किया गया है, दैट्स वाई इसकी वैल्यू सबसे ज़्यादा है. ओके, एंड देयर इज़ अ इंस्टीट्यूट कॉल्ड CFA विच प्रोवाइड सर्टिफाइड फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट सर्टिफिकेट टू द स्टूडेंट्स. See, same as CA and CS, there are 3 level in CFA which students have to clear. बट इसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप बीकॉम के बाद CFA को करते हो then you can go with level 2. No, it is not like that for this particular course. The students have to give exam for each of 3 levels and they have to crack it within 2 years. Okay. Now, after becoming a CFA, you can be portfolio manager, private banker, financial advisor, relationship manager, etc. Okay. Sixth one is CMA, which stands for Cost Management Accountant. CMA develop a skill related to accountant and cost management in students. Okay. There is a one body called ICMAI, which stands for the Institute of Cost Management Accountant of India, which conduct this exam and also provide certificate for the same. See, पहले क्या होता था, एक बॉडी थी जिसका नाम था ICWAI. They have changed their name to ICMAI. So काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स के माइंड में कन्फ्यूजन होता है कि ICWA क्या है एंड CMA क्या है. See, both the courses are same. But ICWA is nowadays known as CMA. Okay, so you can be cost accountant by completing this course. In that you have to collect and analyze the financial information from all the areas of a company, and also you can be management consultant, project consultant, then CEO, CFO, COO, etc. And the duration for the same is 2.5 years to 3 years, and approximate salary would be 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum. Okay. Last one is B.Ed, which stands for Bachelor of Education. B.Ed is mandatory for the students who want to be teacher. Students can take this degree through distance education also as well as through regular mode also. and the fees for the same is different for different colleges because it is totally depend on institute like government, private, or mode of education such as regular and distance. Okay, and after the completion of this course you can be a teacher and school in charge also. ड्यूरेशन फॉर द सेम इज़ 2 years एंड टीचर्स की जो स्टार्टिंग सैलरी होती है वो कम होती है लाइक 10,000 to 40,000 पर मंथ, लेकिन स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली इट विल इंक्रीज. Okay, so here I am done with my today's video. Hope you guys understand. And yes, if you want detailed information on any courses, then please mention in comment section. I'll upload separate video for the same. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Till goodbye. Keep learning, keep educating yourself. Thank you.